Good morning, everybody. Here to wash out another t-shirt. This is our rainbow with better black bleed through. We did one side with better black, one side in one of our famous rainbows, and then we left it better black side up to see how much would bleed through. Yesterday was experiment day, as you can see. We love our good experiment days. Look at all that dye running off there. Down into our filter pan. That's a deep color. Alrighty. To the inside. Inside. Get him unbanded.
I think it might have turned out how we wanted.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. We're hoping to create like a striation effect of better black within the color. Let's see what we got.
It's supposed to look like tiger stripes or a spider web.
Spider web. Right. That's what we were hoping for. If so, it's going to be a really cool design and definitely will become one of our new staples, so to speak.
We were doing one in black and then one in white.
Yep. So we can see what each way did. Let's see what we got. Whoa, wow. We've been trying to create a shirt like this for some time, people. Who knew it was that easy? That's pretty happening. Look at that. That's a beautiful shirt. Just the right amount of better black. Oh, yeah. Nice.
I think I might. No, I always say that.
Yeah.
I won't keep this one just because I know it'll sell.
Stuck in the middle. And here's the final result. Check that out. Wow. Okay. That came out really cool. Look at that pattern. I love how it just spirals out from the center. Good color definition all the way across. Look at that. That's exactly what we wanted, was a, you know, almost like a spider web type effect of the better black coming through it. So yeah, I think that's pretty spot on. We're definitely gonna do some more like this with some different color patterns. But yeah, let us know what you think in the comments below and what you'd like to see us try to do next. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We will see y'all tomorrow.